It's so weird that everyone who gets the Cybertruck in the cool steel exterior immediately goes and gets a wrap. Did Tesla miss something here? The Cybertruck's color change trend is catching on like wildfire. People want options, and they want to show off their ride in hues beyond the factory basics. Wraps offer a rainbow of choices, from matte black to electric blue, and everything in between. Your Cybertruck, your rules. The owners are not just slapping on vinyl, they're making dreams come true. Imagine a Cybertruck transformed into a reflective chrome masterpiece or a sleek matte finish. The Rabs shops are the creative hubs turning factory models into one-of-a-kind rides. It's not just about changing colors, it's about making a statement. The Rabs are the go-to thing for Cybertruck owners who want to stand out in the electric crowd. Who wouldn't want a ride that turns heads at every street corner?